Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, unable to copy large file to pen drive or USB drive. File too large pop-up error displayed. Open File Explorer, this PC. Right-click USB drive, Properties. File system is FAT32, we can change to NTFS file system. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type convert space. Drive letter colon space. /fs colon ntfs. Successfully completed to NTFS file system. Right-click USB drive, Properties. File system changed to NTFS. Now try to paste large file to pen drive. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.